So Notion just dropped a brand new feature called Presentation Mode, which basically turns your Notion pages into slides. So instead of exporting your slides, you can present directly inside of Notion. Not only is it more convenient, but it does something which I've never seen before in any other program. So you hit presentation mode and every section becomes a slide. So you can navigate through the slides, which are just created by using a divider, and present like you normally would. You can embed videos and images and do a bunch of cool stuff. But the real interesting part is databases. See, because your databases on your slides, they actually still work. So you can actually filter, sort, and group the data whilst still on the presentation mode. So imagine you're presenting a project, right? And someone asks a question about a specific thing. Instead of jumping out of slides and then filtering and doing all of that stuff, you can just do it whilst you're presenting. As a big Notion fan, I think this is an incredible update. If you want help with Notion and you're looking for an all-in-one system, then click on this video here, or click on this video here to learn how to use Notion from scratch.